those are amazing. Merry Christmas! Let's make peppermint chocolate bites. Stick around till the end to see if it beats my other ball recipes. Pour 1.5 cups of unsalted almonds into your food processor on pulse. It's loud. Next, we're gonna add a cup of pitted and chopped dates and pulse until combined. Ooh. Now you're gonna add a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of milk, Now you're gonna add 1 drop of food grade peppermint oil or 3/4 teaspoon peppermint extract. And process until well combined. And if it's not sticky enough or it's a little bit dry, you can always add just a little bit more milk. Welcome to the assembly line. They're out of the freezer and it's time to try one. Here we go. Oh, those are amazing. That crunch of the peppermint.
Better than your energy balls?
No. But these are definitely second place. Ooh, these are good. You're definitely gonna need to make these. Stay tuned for more Christmas treat videos. Bye!